Hey everyone, today we're building a powerful mini UPS inverter that can easily run LED lights and a fan without any issue. This project is compact, efficient, and perfect for practical home backup use. And at the end of this video, you'll see a complete real-time testing, so make sure you watch till the end. In this build, we'll focus on a clean body design, proper component placement, and reliable power output, making it a perfect DIY project for beginners as well as advanced electronics enthusiasts. To start with, we've prepared a few pre-cut wooden panels, which we'll use to design a strong and durable body for this inverter. Wooden enclosures not only provide good insulation but also give the project a clean and professional finish. I'm using instant glue, making sure every joint is firm and properly aligned. It's very important to attach everything neatly so that no part remains loose. Once the structure is fully assembled, we move on to the finishing stage. To give this project a premium and professional look, we apply a clean coat of paint. This step not only improves the appearance, as you can see after painting, our mini UPS inverter body is now fully ready, looking solid, professional, and industry-inspired. Now friends, the next step is proper airflow. To keep the system cool and reliable, we're creating ventilation holes inside the body so that air can circulate freely. For this, we're using a drill machine and quickly completing the holes on both sides of the enclosure. As you can see, the ventilation work is now done cleanly and evenly. After that, we move to the heart of this project, the main PCB board. This PCB controls the entire system and ensures stable and efficient performance. You can get this PCB custom designed from any professional PCB manufacturing website. And if PCB designing feels difficult right now, don't worry, in upcoming videos, I'll also teach you how to design your own PCB step by step. Now, we carefully place the PCB inside the body. I've also provided a dedicated hole for proper PCB alignment and installed an on and off switch at the front for easy operation. Next, we install the transformer, which plays a crucial role in power conversion. This is also fixed securely inside the body using double-sided tape, though you can also use instant glue if you prefer a permanent fit. We move on to the wiring stage. The complete connection diagram will be shown on the screen and is also available in the description box. Make sure all connections are done strictly according to the diagram. This ensures safety, efficiency, and reliable operation. After that, friends, we took two AC sockets for our setup. First, we'll carefully complete all the necessary connections. Once the connections are done, we can securely fit the sockets in place. Next, on the upper side, we'll make a small cut so that the wires can pass through easily. Let's quickly finish this step as well. Once the cut is ready, after fitting it in place, we'll carefully complete all the wiring connections. We'll move on to the battery clip. We'll carefully connect the clips. Before we connect the battery clips, we need to complete the remaining wiring. Let's quickly finish these connections. For your reference, the complete connection diagram is available in the description below. After soldering, we'll wrap everything with insulating tape, making sure no wires touch each other accidentally. We'll move on to the upper parts of the kit. I am using instant glue to fit parts securely. This ensures the assembly is stable and compact. Next, we'll take 4 plastic pipes. Using the same instant glue, we'll fit the pipes on all 4 sides to provide additional support and structure. Once this is done, the physical assembly of our mini inverter is complete. To test the project, we're using a 12-volt battery. Alright friends, let's go ahead and connect the battery to the UPS. We'll attach both clips securely to the battery terminals. Earlier, I had connected a small UPS to the board temporarily, but for testing purposes we've removed it. Now, to check the performance, we'll connect a tube light. As you can see when we switch it on, our mini inverter works smoothly and efficiently. This setup is ideal for places where there are frequent power outages or emergencies. It's compact, reliable, and can be extremely useful in critical situations. How did you like this project? Be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to share your feedback. That's all for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye, take care and stay safe.